loved it. It's such a nice space, and like the only other time I've seen it, it was when I dropped my art off, which was Wednesday, and I just thought it's such a lovely place, it's such a lovely cafe, and I think it was a perfect place for this kind of event.
It's been unbelievable. It's been so good. Honestly, I think like even better than we'd expected, because we had 21 young people submit artwork, and I mean all the artwork was like mind-blowingly good anyway. But I think we've had something like 18 of the 21 actually kind of come down, and it's been lovely getting to meet them face to face. And to be honest, after the last 2 years of everything being done over Zoom and not actually getting to meet real life people and young people, it's been so nice to get back to like a proper event where you get to hang out with them, play computer games, have some food, and like just have a really good time. So yeah, I've loved it. It's been really nice.
I think I come down to today's event, and today is amazing. It's to see like the artwork on the wall is amazing, and you can see sort of the passion of the gamers who's put into the work, and see what they've sort of achieved. And then meeting them all today, it's sort of amazing to see sort of, as I said, like their passion behind sort of gaming and sort of the artwork which they've created. And speaking to some of them, sort of showing you the ideas that went into that artwork has been really cool. And yeah, anyone who's sort of passing Good Game Craft in Cardiff, I'd definitely recommend pop in, check out the artwork, because yeah, it's really good, and it's really good.
I did another project with Sprout last summer, the Summer Smile thing, so I got an email about it because I'd already been part of one before.
I found it from me.
I told you about it.
Because I've been interested in doing something like this, so when they said they were doing one, I asked them about it. Yeah.
It's challenging, definitely, because it's like being given a specific task to do it. You have to then work around that, what you've been told to do, rather than sort of just, but still having that element of being able to do what you want, but also linking it back to this.
I think it's been quite fun, because it obviously has been challenging trying to get it in the correct theme. But it's been fun to try and work around certain things and incorporate my style into it as well. Yeah.
Dwi'n mynd i clwb pob dydd Gwener fel tabletop gaming, a wnaeth o cael ei recorded ar un o'r Discord, fel un o'r grwpiau Discord ni. So nes I mynd trwy'r link a sy'n o lan am y prosiect. Llawer o hwyl, mae'n ffordd neis iawn I siarad gyda pobl eraill a cwrdd, a mwy o pobl sy'n hoffi celf, a hefyd wedi mynd trwy'r rai o'r pethau hefyd. Mae wedi bod yn profiad gwych. Besides o'r ffaith dwi wedi colli mwyaf o'r gemau fi wedi chwarae, mae'n gwych.
I draw. That's the main thing I do.
Yeah?
I've done it for too long. Like, I couldn't tell you how long, but it's the main thing that I do and passionately love.
And then where did you get your inspiration for your art?
So the one on display today, it was because I was really unmotivated. I didn't really have an idea of what to draw. So I drew that out of not having any inspiration, and it turned out to be one of the most liked pieces of mine, which I find quite ironic, but